Hello, welcome to Don Jerry TV. Today I'm going to teach us on how to edit our videos with a mobile app. Like one of the best app I use in editing my videos. So you go to your Play Store, search for UCut, just search for UCut, and you see UCut here. You can see one they are telling me to update. So you download it. When you download, you install it. When you install it, you see it here. So now you click on it. Let me off my data. Okay, so when you click on it, it shows you something there. I think mail or something. You accept the terms and conditions there. Click on this sign. I've been using the app. When you click on this sign, you see new projects. You see something here. You see one here, draft. So this draft now is all the work I've been using this app to do. About 55 of my works are there. I can click on it and go back to any of my work if I want to. Then this second one is my last work I did. The new project, when you click on new project, it means you want to start afresh. It means you want to start afresh. Okay, so it shows you like this. So let me use any video. First of all, I have my intro and my outro that I normally use for my video. This is my intro. Then let me make use of these videos. Then this is my outro. I can just click everything at once. So it comes without sound. I will be the one to put music. Okay. So next thing we see here is a trim. Maybe I want to trim this video in particular. I will tap on it. I will click on it and click trim. Trimming means you are trimming it maybe from 1 hour to 30 seconds. You understand? Maybe from 1 hour to 30 seconds, or 1 minute to 30 seconds. Sorry, that was trimming. When you trim, you can see this one now join. I can undo. Look, undo here. I will undo, and you can see it. Then now the next thing we see is split. Okay, I think from that trim step we see it's cut. This one is cut. I can decide to cut these two parts and leave this middle part. This cut, undo it. So from there you see split. You can see I split the video into two. This one and this one. You can see it's the same video, but I split it into two. Okay. I think next thing we see is split is this the same thing. The next thing we see speed here. Speed is to increase your video speed. You look at the way it's playing now, it's normal. Now let me increase the speed to 100. Let's play. You can see no sound and it's faster. Now let's leave it here. You can see. So that's speed. The next thing we see is volume. Okay, I think that speed, there's a way you make it to slow motion. So this is for slow motion. This 0.2 is for slow mo. Then 1x is for normal speed. So look at the 0.2. You can see that it's very slow. Then next thing is volume. Volume is when I don't need the sound at all, but I want it to be playing. I don't need the sound at all. You can see So normally the volume should be 100. Engineer! But if you want to increase it, you can increase it. But I advise it should be 100. Okay. So that's that for the volume. Next thing is animation. Okay. Next thing is animation. Now you see how I want the video to come in. How I want the video to come in. Then out. How I want it to be like. Maybe I want it to fade out and like this the ending. Maybe I want it to fade in, to come in. Then zoom. You can see zooming. Combo. That is the two. What they will do at the same time. So let's mark it. Or yeah, let's say what we just did. Sorry. Look how our video is coming with zooming. You saw that zooming. Okay, let's try on this. Let's use combo on this one. You can see it's blur before coming out. So if I leave it like that now, you see the effects. It blur. So that's that for that. Next thing is delete. When you want to delete this video in particular, you can see. Let's undo. The next thing here is to crop. You want to crop your video, like YouTube video. Now I want to post it on YouTube. You can just click here. This is the size for YouTube. Instagram, but me, I don't normally use all these things. For TikTok, this for TikTok, but me, I don't normally use them, so I put it on free. Okay, so that's that. Next thing you see is replace. Maybe I want to replace this video with another video. You just click on replace. Takes you there. You can decide to replace it. You can see we have different things. So that's how I replace. Now freeze. I don't normally use this one. You can see freeze. It captures it. Captures it and leave it. That's the work of freeze. They newly added that features. I've not been using it. So okay, we are still there. Another place is a copy. I want to copy this video into two. Let's make use of this short one so we can understand. I want to copy the video. You can see I copy it into two places. So when this one play finish, it comes again like a start. So that's to copy. You already know that yourself. Rotate. When I want to rotate my video upside down or side, you can see the way it's rotating. Flip. So you can see there's that. Then sort. Maybe I want to switch. I want to take this one to middle, or take this one here. Now let's click. Now look at the start of our video. Look at the start of our video. It's not okay. It doesn't come through. So that is when you want to switch video. Maybe the one that you use at beginning, you don't like it. You want to use it from to replace the second one. That's that. Then now reverse the speed. Like from here now, the beginning now of this video. I want it to reverse like backward like this. I want it to play like this. I don't want it to play forward like this. So since it's reverse, you go to reverse, click on reverse. It will pre-coding, then it will play on itself, but I don't want to do it. That's the work of reverse. Any video you want to work on, you can touch it and work on it. Then now, since I did not touch any video now. Now music, you want to add music to your video like this, my intro now. It's so boring without music, so let me add music. Let me just use this one. Now look at it. You can see this music I put just now is still longer than the intro. So what do I need? I need to trim it and fade it. So you click on the music, click on trim it. I think it's still long. Okay, look at it here. So you drag it. Okay, so now I want it to fade in. Like when it's coming in, you should fade in and fade out. Click on fade in. You can see fade out. When it's ending, it will go slow. The volume will be reduced by itself. You saw how I ended. So that is the work of the music. I can decide to add music background. Adibin is a comedy now, or this is my video I'm recording now. If I want to add my own music, that's how we add it to the background. Most of you have watched some of my videos, you know I normally use background songs, so you can use it here too. That's that for music. Okay, then the next thing, filter. Maybe I want to change. Let me use this video. I want to change the color of this video in particular. You can see, be looking at your screen, the colors are changing. So that's filter. I want to make use of filter. That's that. Okay, I saw something like adjust. This one is not necessary, but if you feel like making use of them, and you can you can make use of them. Next thing we see is effects. The effect you want, how the video should work. Okay, look at it, the way it's shaking. Long press. Look at this. So all these things I'm doing now, they are showing there. Now let's get back. Now look at all the effects we have been using. You saw that effect. So that is the work of that effect. Next thing is text. You want to type anything. Don Jerry TV. That's my name. Okay. So what next? I've typed. Now maybe I want to change the font. Maybe I'm not okay with this font. You can change the font to anyone. When you change it to anyone, you can just click your good. So that's the work of this font. Now next thing, next thing we have okay, we are done with font. This font, we are done with font. Now next thing is color. Click on color of the text. You can see it's changing. If I don't want anyone, I click this one. Sorry. Okay, so for the label, oh god, I don't forget this thing now. For the label, means the background. So since it's YouTube something, let me look for it and put it or something. For label, if I don't want to put the label, I can click on this one here, and just click on it. You can see anyone. For the border, the red covering the right up there, that is the border. You can see. You can decide to change the border or reduce it. You can see it's very bold. You can decide to reduce it. Then the shadow, when you want your text to have a shadow, you can see that. You can see changes on your text. Now I want to make it blur. Make it blur like this. Maybe I want to make it show. You can see difference. Up down. But there's no need for that. Next thing is animation. How I want my text to come. Now let's look at the text. You can see the text just appear. Look at the ending. It just disappears. So we want it to be animated. Click on animation. Fade in. Look at how your text will come. Zoom like this. Or you want it to slide or be jumping or twist like this and come like this. Very slow. But like this is very fast. You can see. Out the same thing. Then your loop, you want it to stay like that till the end of the video. Maybe I want it to be blinking till the end of the video. I can leave it like this. That's the work of that one. Then this one, when maybe I want to slant my text, look like this, underline. You can see, make it bold. All these things are not necessary. Centralize when the text are much. All these things are not necessary to me now. Then next thing, split. You want to split your text. You can see your text has been splitted into two. You can see your text has been splitted into two. So that's the work of the split, delete to delete your text, adjust to adjust it. I already showed us. Then copy, you want to copy your text. You can move it, drag it and move it to anywhere. Okay. Now, what next? Okay, we have talked about music, filter, effect, text. Now, sticker. This sticker now, it needs data. You need to on your data before you can see stickers. Then for this sticker, okay, look at sticker here. Sticker, you can click this plus sign, leave it on picture here, click your plus sign and import any picture. Me, I have been using this thing, so that's why I put all these logos here. So you can see, you can reduce, you can decide to reduce and drag it to where you want to leave it, wherever you want to leave it. Then this text, you can just decide to leave it. You can still reduce the text if you want. Okay, so that's before you click on, like, if I want to click on the text now, you click on the text first before you adjust. So that's that. What next? Okay, we are still talking about sticker. About this GIF, maybe I want to show that one that says subscribe now to be blinking, or please subscribe. That is when you want your data to do that one. PLP is when you want to do your green screen, but that one I will teach that one another day. And speed, I already taught us about speed. If you want to speed your video. Background, how I want this video background to look like. Now look at it, this space, you can see. So that's the work of background. You can decide to remove it, no frame. That's it. Record, maybe after importing, okay, like this welcome to Don Jerry TV. Now that I don't have voice in, I can decide to record on it. I have not been using it. That's why they are showing me. So if I want to record now, you click on, you tap here, they are showing you start recording. Okay, then what next? Volume, I already taught us about that. Rotation, I already taught us about that. So that, I think that's all for now. Then if you want to save, you click on save like this. This 1080 now means you are saving with a HD, with resolution of HD. Whoever want to watch it on YouTube now need to click on that setting icon and you will see video quality. Then you put it on HD. 1080p is HD. That is the recommended size for this particular video now that I want to export. So just click save, then allow it to encode. Finish, that's all. Then when you encode, is saved automatically to your to your gallery. So you go to your gallery and see what you just edited. Thank you for staying tuned. I love you. Next time I will teach us on how to remove green screen. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Or should I just teach a green screen today? No, I will teach another day. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Don Jerry TV. I love you all. Shalom. I think I've taught us. So that's that. Now for the draft, look at the drafts. Look at the draft. All my videos I've been making. You can see all of them. All my videos I've been making. Then for the last video I made before coming here, look at it here. Which is this video we just made. So that's that. Thank you for staying tuned. I love you all.